Hey guys, you're probably wondering, why am I looking at a white screen? Well, you're on my windowsill, first of all. And, well, today, when I woke up, it was just cloudy, and I found out we were supposed to get a lot of snow today. So far I knew I had school. I looked on everywhere. I had school. Then all of a sudden they canceled it like a half hour before school. Before I was supposed to get off or onto the bus. But so now I'm very bored, so as you can see, I'm going to do a little test of my fire alarm system. Basically, you can pretty much tell, yeah, it's snowing. Snow's still coming down at a pretty good clip. See down there? So, yeah, I have to go out and shovel in a little bit. But it's basically a winter wonderland, so yeah. So I'm gonna be doing a strobe test of my fire alarm system. Now, what I've got set up today is basically the same setup as last time, except I don't have the horn strobe in the closet, which I'll show you in a second. I've got my Silent Night pole. This is coming out very soon. Like probably around Christmas time, this is coming out and being replaced with a different pole station. And actually, if I can find my key for it, I'm going to be taking this off my key ring because this is going to go downstairs on the mini system that I'm building. It's already wired up. 1 second. Stupid key. There we go. So, yeah. So I don't need to hold on to my keys. Keep it like that. Alright. And over here I got the Potter T-bar. We'll be activating that too. I'll be activating both of them. The regular switch, spectral alert, strobe, and in here I used to have my Edwards Genesis, which is still up here, or EST. Yeah. This loud thing is what I had last time. Never underestimate small horn strobes. They're loud. Oh. Sometimes the small horns can be the loudest. So what I have is my Wheelock RSS remote strobe. I think RSS stands for Remote Synchronized Strobe or something like that. But I've got it set to 1575 candela. And when you start off the test, they're really out of sync. Then they get perfectly into sync, and then they just go out again. I don't know. It's really weird. So yeah, RSS, remote strobe, and spectral alert. So I will go ahead by doing a flip the switch test, because I haven't done that in a long time. So here we go. See? There they go. They sync, and then they stop. In silence. Flip the switch, reset. And over here, the Potter T-bar, which I will key out. Actually, no, I'll just pull it. Here we go. There goes that. And silence. So, yeah. Go ahead and reset the T-bar. And this is zone 2, by the way. That's zone 1 over there. Oh, come on. Sometimes that spring doesn't like to shut. And reset. I'll go ahead and key operate. This is actually, I'm just calling this a strobe test, this video. So. Silence. And I'm just going to go ahead and reset this. I shut off the lights. Let me unplug these lights. And let's see how dark we can make the room to show you how bright the strobes are. Except the light on my camera doesn't help anything. They're pretty bright strobes. this is actually, I don't even know if this is 75 candela. It's so bright. Yeah, I usually keep it unlocked. I wish there was a way you could take your key out when it's unlocked, but whatever. Huh. That device is weird. So that's about it for this system test. Actually, if you remember, and I've still got the remnants of it over here, inside my closet, you remember this spot? Yeah, it used to be a pole station. I'm thinking of putting that pole station back in this spot. Last time I had this inside here, right there. But, yeah. I first of all didn't like the appearance of it first when I had it in here, but I kind of liked it now. I realized I kind of liked it. So, I think I'm going to put it back. I don't know. But yeah, it's just that same simple board. The RSS is on the other side of these clothes, right here. Just hanging. It's swinging. Oh, I forgot to flip that back up. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and I've had a couple of these questions. Where'd the panel door go? I took it off because it was rather annoying. I think I'm going to put it back on eventually, but for now I took it off. And basically, yeah. And you can see that the wires underneath go inside the panel and down through the back of the panel. It's different setup now. So this wire goes down inside, a couple of them do on the bottom, and that's how this thing gets its power. You can see there's a tip of a wire hanging out for no reason. I gotta fix that. I gotta put a cap on that. But, yeah. Custom message that it's fake. It's just printed out. But it says Hunter's fire alarm system. All system normal. All systems normal. Yeah. So yeah, it says that, especially in here, this is pretty helpful. It says the panel dashboard. It says Zone 1, Pole 42. That's what number this is. 42. So that's right here. And P stands for pole station. Pole 2 is pole 43, which it says inside that pole. Right over there. Actually, no, it says it on the box. Because I changed that pole station out loud. I haven't taken this off since System Test 1. I really got to get rid of it and put something else up. Well, not get rid of it, put it on the downstairs system. I'm getting sick of using that same thing. I'm getting a bunch of new alarms very shortly, like in a couple of weeks. So I'm so happy that I can use new devices. Huh. And my BG8, which is actually kind of rather hard to pull with one hand. Oh, there it is. That was pretty easy. Whatever. I'll reset that later. And also, I made my Wheelock MT look like just because I got an extender ring for my system, I made it look like almost like one of those system sensor masses, because it has like if this was red, it would be perfect. It would look like a mass, but yeah. I still haven't attached the 75 candela strobe yet. I gotta reattach that. I'm probably gonna use this in upcoming tests. And this was not system test 4.5. Do not worry, that's not till for a little bit. And also my homemade pole station. I thought you saw this last time. That I just made for fun. It's supposed to be a copy of an Edwards pole, but whatever. So yeah. So that's my fire alarm system right now, and that's what I do on my snow days. Like that. So yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day. See you later.